Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, this is Rambo, and this is Harley. They're squirmy, I'm going to put them down. Today's look that we're going to do is out of the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. And yes, I am filming this intro separate from my video because I forgot to film an intro for the video itself. Here's my intro much later. If you want to see a cute little everyday glam sort of look out of the Huda Beauty New Nude palette that can also be used as like a wedding makeup look, you better keep watching and let's dive in. So what I'm going to start with in this palette is I'm going to lay down a base of the shade Concealed. Now this is a cream shade. This is like the package, the carton, says it is a concealer base to make your shadows pop. So we're going to use that as our shadow base instead of like a primer. I hope this is supposed to be in place of a primer. We'll see. That's something that I'm going to hit pan on pretty soon. That is not one of those things that a little goes a long way. Okay, next I'm going to take my fluffy shader brush to the shade Bare and spread that all over my eyes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my same brush and I'm going to go into the shade Play. That's up there on the top row there in the middle of the palette. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take a fluffier crease brush. We're going to go pink or tan. Pink. Y'all, I can't decide what I'm doing. We're going to do the shade Tickle. That pinky shade there. We're going to put that in the crease. And I'm sort of blending it out as I put it down, just to help the blending process go a little smoother. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and blend in that pink to that peach. So I'm going to go in with a shading brush, like this one is from the Tarte by Swamp Queen palette that I just kept around. And I'm going to go into the shade Secret, and I'm going to put that across my lid. And then I'm gonna take this rounded crease, like smaller crease brush, and I'm gonna go into T's. And I'm gonna put T's on the outer corner. And I'm also going to bring that shade down underneath my eye as well. At least on the outer half to 3/4 of my eyelid. And then I'll probably go back in with Secret for the inside. And I know it looks a little splotchy right now, but no worries. We're gonna take our blending brush and blend our worries away. Now I'm going to bring it all the way in with Secret. Okay, I'm going to take a little teeny tiny brush. Can you see that against my forehead? It's a little itty bitty. I'm going to spray it down with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to go into the shade Crave, which is that one up there. And I'm going to put that hugging my inner corner. Maybe you can see that glitter better if I turn my light off. That's cute. I like how this is turning out. I was a little worried, but it's a cute little matte look with just a little bit of sparkle on the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with my Golden Gatsby Livewire liner by LA Splash, and I'm gonna do a tight line into like a little wing. Now my waterline could use a little something to define it. So I'm going to do a little bit with my Tarteist black eye pencil. But then to soften that up a little bit, I'm gonna go over that with my Ulta concealer pencil. Because all I was really looking for was a little bit of definition. Okay, for mascara, I'm gonna do my top lashes with my little sample of the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash. Now I like this particular mascara for more definition of my lashes. And I think it's best for like days where all you're doing is like just throwing on some brow gel and mascara and your eyes are bare. On my bottom lashes, I'm going to use my sample of the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This one, because it's such a teeny tiny wand, I like it better for just lower lashes. And then because I like to have big fluffy natural lashes without using falsies, I'm going to go over that with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And of course I got some on my eyelids, because who would I be if I didn't? Now I think this would be a really cute like prom or wedding makeup look. I think you could definitely do away with the eyeliner and the wings, and you could just line the eyes with like the shade Love Bite right here. That one. That would be a good liner shade. You just line the eye with like a tight, tiny little like angle brush or liner brush of sorts of your choice. If you're going for something a little bit softer and more natural than winged eyeliner. Now for a lip, well, let's do some highlight first. I think I'm gonna use the Ulta Beauty Illuminating Powder in Pink Diamond. I'm gonna turn this lamp back on because this lamp helps with highlight showing up where my beauty lights are not good for that. I love a good highlight. Let's turn those lights way down so we can see some highlight action here. Yes, work, highlight, she cute. On my lips, I'm gonna do a gloss. Now I'm not a gloss person, but we all do things out of the ordinary sometimes, and I'm not gonna be wearing this around, and the reason why I'm not a gloss person is because I don't like the feel of glosses on my lips for a long time, and I like my lips to be transfer proof. So since this is pretty much coming off right away, I'm gonna tolerate a gloss for the sake of this look. And I'm using my Tarteist Glossy paint in Obvi. So here is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this look, about this palette, if you think it's worth the money. I got it on a discount. Let me know down below in the comments. If you want to see another wedding look that I have done, click up on the card up there. And if you'd like to see another rose gold type look that I have done, click here. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. See you in the next one.